Dear students, today we will start with exercise 6.4. This exercise is based upon area of similar triangle. You all must know that when the triangles are similar, the ratio of their area is always equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So let's begin with question number 3. In this question number 3, you are given two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Both these triangles have a common side BC, and we are required to prove that the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BDC is equal to AO upon DO. AO upon DO. To prove this, children, we will first draw a construction, that is, we will drop altitude AM from A to BC and altitude DN from D to BC. And let's prove that these two triangles are similar. Triangle AMO and triangle DNO we are taking. So angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 2, they are vertically opposite angle, and angle 3 and angle 4, both are 90 degree each. Therefore, in these two small triangles, two angles are equal. Therefore, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So same I have written here. We have taken triangle AOM, triangle DON. Two angles are equal, therefore triangles are similar. Let's name them AOM. AOM. Angle O is equal to O. That's why O is at second place, both the sides. Angle M was equal to angle N. Therefore, if M is at third place, N should be at third place. So we can say by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. By AA similarities, these two triangles are similar. And if the triangles are similar, their sides are proportional, corresponding sides are proportional. So AO first two upon first two of this side, so AO upon DO will be equal to AM, that means first and last of this side, is equal to upon first and last of this side, AM upon DN. When the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, this is the important result. Now we need to find out the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. Let's apply the formula for area of triangle half base into height. So for triangle ABC, base is BC, height is AM. Therefore, we can write half into BC into AM. And similarly for triangle DBC, base is BC and height is DN. Therefore, we can write half base into height. Half and BC will cancel each other. Now we are left with AM upon DN, but we have proved just now that AM upon DN is equal to AO upon DO. Therefore, we can replace AM by DN by AO by DO, and in this way we will get the desired result. I hope you are able to understand it. Now we will do question number 4 of exercise 6.4. In this question, we are given two triangles ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar as well as are equal in area, and he wants us to prove that if they are similar and are equal in area, then the triangles are congruent also. So, similar and equal in area, these two things are given. We need to prove that the triangles are congruent. Now, children, let's apply the rule for the area of similar triangles. If the triangles are similar, then the ratio of their area is always equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we can say area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ square, ratio of corresponding side and square of that is equal to ratio of the area of similar triangle. This you must remember. If the triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is always equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we have taken ratio of their corresponding side, that is AB by PQ, BC by QR and AC by PR. These are the ratio of their corresponding side, and we have to take its square as we are taking the area of these similar triangle. Now children, we are given that the areas of these two triangles are equal, and I told you whenever the things are equal, the ratio is always 1:1. So area of triangle ABC is given equal to area of triangle PQR. Therefore, their ratio is 1:1. So let's replace this by 1 and copy down all the other ratios as it is. Now take them one by one. If I take 1 by 1 is equal to AB square by PQ square and I cross multiply, I'll get AB square is equal to PQ square, and then taking square root both the side will give me AB is equal to PQ. Similarly, BC by QR whole square is also equal to 1 by 1. So taking this the other side, so BC square is equal to QR square. Taking square root both the side will give me BC is equal to QR. Similarly, AC square by PR square is also equal to 1 by 1. And children, taking square root both the side will give you AC is equal to PR. And therefore, all the three sides of this triangle ABC is equal to all the three sides of corresponding sides of triangle PQR. All the sides are equal. Therefore, we can say that the triangles are congruent by SSS congruency. That's all for this video. We will meet in the other video with more questions of the same exercise. That's all for today, children.